it going? It is your boy Black Superman. Today I'm going to show you work in Amazon Ireland, Dublin. So first of all, what I'm going to show you is that you need your safety boots, obviously your clothes. You need to also have your high-vis jacket, and just going to switch to see if I can switch the camera around. I am in a electric van, as you can see. I am in a electric van. This van is literally just to cover the Dublin area. It does not go outside because usually the range on the van is about 140 to 150 kilometers. And if we come into the van here, as you can see, I do have my high-vis right here and my jacket. Usually what I do is when I grab my bags, which are usually in here, I grab my bags. Usually if I'm going to my first stop, the app is going to tell me, usually going to tell me which bag the box that I'm looking for is in. You shouldn't really make a mistake because the app should tell you. It's either going to tell you if it's an envelope, it's going to tell you if it's a book folder, it's going to tell you it's a parcel, or it's going to tell you exactly if it's maybe like a small box or a medium box or whatever it is. The job is not, well, for me, I don't find it hard because I love driving. If you don't like driving, I would not recommend it. If you love driving and you love to spend your day just handing customer stuff, parcels, whatever, I would recommend a job, but like I've seen a lot of people complain that like, oh, they don't like this, they don't like that. But for me, I love driving and I love doing deliveries and stuff. Yeah, I am a graduate in computer programming and also journalism and digital media. But for me, I love being on the road. I love doing driving and things that I want to do. But so that's, as you can see, there's black bags, blue bags, orange bags, black bags, green bags. The app will tell you what number bag your delivery that you're looking for. If it's obviously like the bigger boxes that they can obviously fit in a bag, it's usually I usually like just make sure I leave them up here, so I can obviously see if it's too big. I'll just have them left down on the ground. As you can see, this is the van. It does have a door that I can close. Also, I make sure I keep my keys here because if I leave these keys, if I leave it in the van locks on its own. So it's just like a safety. It's just like a safety thing, and yeah. So it is. It's for me. I love the job. I can't really complain. So I can't complain. The pay, I feel like it could be maybe just like a tiny bit better. Maybe like I think the pay could be a bit better. I'll probably love it more if the pay was a tiny bit better. But that is Amazon Dublin, Ireland, and if you want to get into it, let me know down in the comments. Please make sure you guys subscribe. This is my first video. It might not be the best video. This is my first time. Well, it'll be my second time actually put my face there on YouTube, because I didn't want to, but I feel like you might as well, because you don't know who's gonna see. If you want to know more, if you want to know about the pay, if you want to know about the DSP, how I got the job and stuff, I can make another video about that. So yeah, just let me know how it goes. And also, you can see here, the van is it's electric. And first thing I do usually in the morning is I go around the van, I make a video of it, I take the kilometers as well, so I send it to my boss, my DSP obviously. I send it to my boss so they know that like, okay, that's the kilometers I'm starting at. And obviously when I finish as well, I do the same thing. So I take a video, I send it to them just so they make sure there's no scratches on the van, there's no crashes, whatever. If there is a crash, I have to report it as well. And yeah, that's it. It's not too bad. Like usually every day I usually get about 140 to about 150 stops. On a good day I might get like 90 to 100, but I don't think I've got anything less than that. So I'm in Dublin, it's not too bad. Maybe someone that's that's not in Dublin. They might get like more stops or whatever it is, but you know, I like it. I don't mind driving around, giving people the parcel, seeing people happy, people waiting on the parcel, people running out, the kids looking at the vans, being like, Amazon, Amazon, you know. I like the job, so, you know, that's as much as I can give you right now. If you'd like to know more, please like the video, subscribe, and let me know if you have any comments, any answers, how to get the job, or, you know, just ask me in the comment section. Like the video, share the video. Thank you very much. Love you guys. That's it. Bye bye.